Hi, Melanie here. Just wanted to record the Google slide with the technology that we didn't go over in class that I would find useful in a classroom. So the technology I found is called SamePage. And what it is it's a collaboration website that allows you to add people to the same group. Kind of mirrors Google Classroom a little bit, but some of the features are quite a bit different. What I found is that it's mostly used for larger corporations for project management and task management. And what they say about SamePage is that it's an all-in-one team collaboration solution that covers a wide range of workflows. And I would agree, it's true. SamePage headquarters are in Silicon Valley and Pilsen, Czech Republic. They wanted a site to collaborate, film or file share, video call, chat, do all the things all in one setting instead of having to move to multiple different sites. Hence the name SamePage. It's a free platform, but there's also paid platforms, and multiple devices are. It's multiple device friendly, so you can use the Windows app. It's Mac and iOS capable, and then also there's an Android app available. So there are free and paid versions of this program. The free one, which is what I've been using for the past couple weeks, is totally fine. It's got 2 gigabytes worth of storage. And that, I mean, if you're running a classroom with several different sections out of it, you might run out of room pretty quickly, but I don't really know how to overcome that obstacle other than pay for it, which I'm not going to do. But there are 2 different paid versions. You can do the $7.50 per month or the $9.50 or $9 per month. They do offer support on the paid versions, and from what I found, most of their call centers or whatever are in the United States, so that's helpful too. So the founders are Jan, Scott, and Martin. Their bios said that they came from marketing backgrounds, and they all just kind of collaborated together to get this done. So why is SamePage so great? Well, we'll see what other people have to say about it too. So how you sign up for SamePage, what I would do is I would send this out to my students in the Google Classroom. I would ask them to make a copy of it. You wouldn't necessarily need to do that, but I always like making my students make copies of it because then my original isn't altered. So you go to the link, and I've included a hyperlink to the website. On the top left hand or the top right hand corner, you click this yellow sign up button. I have created my own existing organization, so my students would then just join using an existing organization with my organization code. Once they join, they would join my class period, and then they're done. Sign up is super easy on the website, and I'll just kind of show you what I have done with mine. So on mine, I have, let's see, we're going to go to my workspace. So I've created 2 different folders here for period 1, period 2, but then I have just this main education. So you can create task boards, which are really cool if you've got a project going on. You can just create a main chat screen, which is similar to the Google Classroom stream page. The demo page is really nice because you can, it's kind of like a Google Doc, so it's a working document where you can include text, pictures, tables, that kind of thing. I really like the mind maps because you can just do it right in here, and if you just create a subtopic, it goes, you can create new topics, subtopics, all the way across. One of the things that I really like about this program is that in every single page that you have a different chat. So the chat is about that program and that page itself, and it won't get lost in other documents. The other thing that I really like is the ability to make calls. So I think that this program would be extremely useful during remote learning. So due to COVID, if we ever go virtual again or do a hybrid model, this program I would highly suggest that our school district buy, or even just our school, because not only me, but I think other teachers would really benefit, and students too, because sometimes the Google Classroom is a little bit overwhelming. They don't know where to go. The stream gets all screwed up if you add things. It doesn't really show things in a timely fashion. Students don't always remember to go to the classwork section of the Google Classroom, which is where the teachers have it more organized, but you know, it's the benefit of the teacher, not the student, if they don't remember. And the chat feature in the Google Classroom isn't that easy. You have to have an assignment open to create a private message. You can't just go in and tag a student and chat with them that way, which is why I really like this format for the same page, because you can direct message anyone at any time, and your conversations are going to show up and be logged just like they would with Google Voice or a standard text message. I like this too because it's got your own inbox, so you don't have to go into the topic or into the workspace for your chats. You just get a notification in your inbox too. I hope you check out this website. It's super great, and I highly recommend it for in-classroom use, but maybe if you're collaborating at your job right now, or even just to keep yourself a little bit more organized with your grad school classes. Have a good day.